Nowadays, people become more familiar with Moroccan Hammam, also known as Moroccan Spa. They start to have this treatment because it has great benefits for our health. Hi, my name is Mariam, and in this course, I'm gonna introduce you to the traditional Moroccan Hammam. So, what is Moroccan Hammam? Moroccan Hammam is a combination of sauna and spa, and it has many benefits for our health. Moroccan Hammam is a great way to relax and remove stress. Not only that, Moroccan Hammam is considered as a physical and emotional detox. It reduces stress, anxiety, and allows you to relax deeply. It improves blood circulation. It's also an anti-aging. It helps firming, toning, and improving the skin's elasticity. It boosts the immune system and decreases muscle tension. In this course, I will show you step by step the ritual of this natural and organic treatment. You will learn how you can perform this unique hammam in the comfort of your own home. I will show you what material you need in order to have this treatment. Once you start the Moroccan Hammam ritual, you will indulge yourself in a special and unique treatment. And after you finish it, you will discover the new you. You will feel fresh, revitalized, more relaxed, and beautiful. And most of all, your body and mind will get connected, and you will have more energy and feel more balanced. Moroccan Hammam allows you to connect with nature.